Hey, let me hit you with a brutal question. Are you ready for AI to take your job? Yeah, I said it. Not will AI replace jobs, but will it replace yours? Because here's the cold truth. AI isn't coming. It's already here. It's already working, and it might just be eyeing your paycheck next. In this video, we're going to break it all down. Who's most at risk? What jobs are safe for now? And most importantly, how you can future-proof your career. Stick around, because by the end of this, you're not just going to understand the AI wave, you're going to ride it like a pro. Let's go. First, let's get one thing straight. AI isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's not coming soon. It's already here. ChatGPT can write emails, articles, code. Midjourney can create stunning art and images. Copilot helps developers write better software. AI bots are trading stocks, managing supply chains, even helping diagnose diseases. But here's the kicker. AI isn't just helping us, it's replacing us in many tasks. The World Economic Forum predicts 85 million jobs will be displaced by automation and AI by 2025. But, and here's the twist, they also predict 97 million new roles will emerge. So it's not doom and gloom, but adapt or die. That's the game. Let's break it down. Which jobs are most at risk of automation? Number 1. Repetitive tasks. For example, data entry, basic customer service, simple bookkeeping, and routine manufacturing. So, if your job looks like copy-paste or click-click, AI can probably do it faster, cheaper, and error-free. Number 2. Predictable processes. For example, retail checkout, hello self-checkouts, fast food ordering, AI kiosks, and simple legal paperwork, contract reviews. These jobs are built on rules, and AI loves rules. But it's not just the low-skill jobs. Number 3. Knowledge work. For example, junior coders, paralegals, junior graphic designers, and financial analysts. Yes, even white-collar roles are being automated because AI doesn't get tired, doesn't need coffee breaks, and doesn't complain about overtime. Shocking, right? That's why sitting still isn't an option. All right, breathe. Let's talk about where humans still shine. First up, creative and strategic thinking. Brand strategists, creative directors, complex product designers. AI can mimic patterns, but true creativity, that's still human. Number 2, human-to-human roles. Nurses, doctors, therapists, teachers, mentors, coaches, social workers, caregivers, empathy, nuance, trust. AI just can't replicate that yet. Third, skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics, technicians. You can't just download hands-on expertise into a robot. And finally, leadership and vision. CEOs, founders, innovators. AI can assist, but it can't lead. It can't set the vision for a company or a movement. So, if you're already in these spaces or can move toward them, you're in a better position. All right, let's get to the golden question. How do you make sure you're not replaced? Here's your 4-part survival guide. Number 1, learn to work with AI. Don't fear it. Leverage it. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Automate the boring stuff with platforms like Zapier. Explore what AI can do in your field. The winners? They won't be the ones who fight AI. They'll be the ones who partner with it. Number 2, build human skills. What can't AI do well? Emotional intelligence, adaptability, creativity, leadership. These so-called soft skills. They're becoming power skills, so invest in them. Number 3, keep learning forever. The half-life of skills is shrinking fast. That fancy degree could be outdated in 5 years. Be a lifelong learner. Take online courses. Attend workshops. Stay curious. Because the only safe job is a moving target. And finally, number 4, build a personal brand. AI might replace tasks, but it can't replace you. Share your expertise online. Network with real people. Make your name known in your niche. Because at the end of the day, people hire people they trust, not faceless bots. Let's zoom out. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool, one that's reshaping the world at warp speed. Will some jobs disappear? Yes. Will new opportunities emerge? Also, yes. But the real question is, will you rise to the challenge? Because the future, it belongs to the bold, the adaptive, the ones who don't just ask, will AI take my job? But instead say, How can I use AI to level up? So, are you ready? If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit that like button. Show the algorithm you're human. Subscribe for more bold insights. Drop a comment and tell me, what's one way you'll future-proof your career starting today? And hey, share this video with a friend who's freaking out about AI. Help them ditch the fear and step into the future. I'm here every week, bringing you the real talk on tech, work, and what's next. Catch you in the next one. Stay bold, stay curious, and remember, the future doesn't wait.